Meghalaya conducts state-level earthquake preparedness mock exercise. Meghalaya launches CM Care Plus scheme. Khasi Students' Union celebrates 47th anniversary. And Grace Foundation School Bhairambong launches first Astronomy Club. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority, in collaboration with the National Disaster Management Authority, conducted a state-level mock exercise on earthquake preparedness today. Given Shillong's plateau's vulnerability in seismic zone 5, the exercise aimed to assess the region's readiness for high-magnitude earthquakes, including Buddha. The exercise aimed to, and it was held in locations including Buddha Vidya Niketan School, Polo Market and Waingdo locality were part of the drill overseen by District Disaster Management Authority, East Khasi Hills. A relief camp was also set up at Shillong Secondary School Polo to test disaster response capabilities. The District Disaster Management Authorities, DDMAS, across various districts of the state conducted large-scale mock earthquake drills today to test emergency response systems and to raise public awareness. The exercises stimulated massive devastation, including building collapses, landslides and fires. The mock drill was conducted in district headquarters of Nongpo, Jawai, Mairang, Ampati and Tura. The drills were part of the state government's initiative to enhance disaster preparedness, ensure efficient responses and strengthen community resilience in the face of real-life calamities. Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdo announced the launch of CM Care Plus scheme aimed at providing financial assistance for high-end tertiary and critical care treatments not covered under the MHIS packages. The scheme will cover treatments exceeding the MHIS PMJY limit to 5.30 lakh per policy per year, benefiting patients with conditions like cancer, kidney failure and heart problems. Approval for cases will be processed at district and state levels with funds directed to treatment institutions. However, state and central government employees and their dependents are not eligible for this scheme.
Mentatang naka MHIS le si pinumla ban cover yaka jing penkre jong ka jing yada lane ka jing yele persya ya ka jing pang cancer but kiwe ki jing pang kiba don kam he kamang tengka tingi ong nalor kani ya kita kiba don hok banyo ya kamang tengka kaba kam he ngilas dangru ya ka CM Care. But ka CM Care Plus kadai kata ka scheme kaban siya ya kinong song bakin yo ya kani kamang tengka kabak kamhe kapung pralang kawai kaya.
Meghalaya's Power Minister A.T. Mondal informed the FKJGP delegation that regular appointments at the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL will be delayed due to the corporation's ongoing financial issues. The FKJGP has raised concern over nearly 130 vacant posts for assistant executive engineers, assistant engineers and 125 junior engineer positions at the MEPDCL, which remain remain unfilled despite a 2023 restructuring. The group emphasized the delay in recruitment hampers the department's functioning and limits job opportunities for the locals.
To put all the problems that is there, basically they have come with an idea that all vacant posts will be filled up. And as an organization, we require also all vacant posts should be filled up. As of now, we are having a lot of financial problems and all these things. Due to that, we are not going ahead immediately. But recently, we have advertised some posts also. Regular appointment will be done as and when financially MECL is sound. That has been priced to them.
The Khasi Students' Union marked its 47th anniversary today in Lashamir, Shillong. President Lombok Star Well Marngar reflected on the union's challenges over the years, including opposition from both state and central governments. He recalled the intense battles of 2007 and 2009 against uranium mining, which put KSU leaders' lives at risk. Marngar emphasized the union's 47 years have focused on securing the community's well-being and protecting its land from exploitation, driven by strong principles and divine guidance rather than seeking recognition.
Kunuban Paria, Jackie Su, Hajiat Lenti Jonka. Dengan sukmi lenti bakal kan bat kalau jong kujuban lah. Balada kasulit hi te ngasarai dengan ong kunuban dari kamram sui dari dapat persno dari bani. Jika kata snow bakal kam ni tekistit dah roper karena tempat bencana itu kan. Semua di kamram sorkat telara maka kali rendat Hongkong komunitas te ekspor sorkat suku itu. Nak liang jongi kum kaseng. Kenang keren nak ngoipat ngai ngiyelong ta kinong pengwa ngiyelong ta kalian pasca samadan nang berkenbai de jingna pat jingdepo katam jingtru balong jingsin chaton bo jong.
Power Minister A.T. Mondal stated that while the financial health of MEECL has shown some improvement, the corporation is still under significant financial strain. The corporation has no dues except for the NTPC, which will be cleared by 2027-28. The government recently launched the One-Time Settlement OTS Scheme 2025 to help consumers clear their outstanding electricity dues, aiming to collect around 119 crore from domestic consumers with below 5 kilowatt power consumption, offering 25% crore in rebates. Despite ongoing losses, the minister emphasized that consumers deserve some relief.
Under tremendous strain, but we are working. There are a lot of steps have been taken by the corporation, and on that basis, it is worked on. Lots of dues are to be cleared also for other utilities also, but as far distribution utilities concerned, I told you earlier also that except NTPC, all other utilities are not having any dues at present with us. So we are improving, but we need some more time to neutralize everything.
The Bakrim 2025 Inter-Village Championship concluded yesterday at the Dangiri Playground, West Garo Hills. The DC Jagdish Chelani and SDO Civil Aditya Verma presented awards and cash prizes to the winners across multiple categories, including Best Village Employment Council VEC, Best Village Health Council VHC, Best Self-Help Group SHG, Best Farmer, Clean Village Damal Asim, Best PMAY House, and winners of Tug and War, Volleyball and Dance competition. Madulgre was named the overall Best Village. Bakrim 2025 Inter-Village Championship, which began on March 10th, aimed to promote rural development, community participation and raise awareness of the government schemes and environmental conservation. Students from Grace Foundation Secondary School, Lom So Pneng, and other local schools in Boirimbong Ribhoi district had the chance to observe celestial bodies using a telescope provided by the Bharati Airtel Foundation. This opportunity came through the establishment of the first Astronomy club in a school in the state in collaboration with the Shillong Science Centre and NEHU. The club was inaugurated by E. Sunrem, BMC Bhoirimbong Block, and key figures like space science expert Rahul Chatterjee and Bharati Airtel Foundation project coordinator Manbha Khongla. Bharati Airtel Foundation also plans to establish 5 more astronomy clubs in the Rebhoi district.
Astronomy club ha school ka jung imitasi ka deling ba ka jung lam khamat jong ka Bharati Airtel Foundation ha ka ba kala ayang kini ka lat bangin la bangin yo new telescope but ude telescope ubaning kong ba kita lawan cha kini ke jelajni ke state Meghalaya te punjoru ha kini ka por mila yo ban clear ya ka astronomy club ha ka ba ngi khot ngi weru ya ki khna school ki khna college ki khna samla ki jangi ba kin join ya kin astronomy club but kin na ba kin puli khamne ba kin sakhi shushu ya ka astrophysics tani ka jing puli ya ki kinja ki ba dan hasai pineng.
The Hinnutrep Youth Council HYC Rai Thang Rang Circle, led by Secretary Shempang Marsharing, has raised serious concern over the ongoing road construction from Khandeoso to Kirdem extending towards Do Bhoirimbong. The council criticised the hasty and the substandard quality of the work, with several sections already showing signs of damage. Emphasising the road's importance for transportation and economic activities, HYC has called on the Public Works Department to address the issues and hold contractors accountable.
Dengi nakaliang kaseng nimla bersyong plikti wan kana step ban pensngo ne ban saki dagla kijong gi khamat bau nu surok long susah bala jot rathai kani kani kijing sedang mo hadin ski un sajot kan sapoi kopor ba hadu ba ngimla su banyai lene kikali kimla su banyai nang jaka namar jing sinatorti ngidawa katkum kaseng ya kontraktor ba badai ban pe khmi banyak bencana maramot bahaya kan kesurok hantam ya ke PWD department bahkan simkia mardor habis di surok bahkan cina penbah.
Students at Edmund Rice Mankara Secondary School in Wa Rinong, Eastern West Khasi Hills received free dental checkups and oral health education today as part of the world's Oral Health Day celebration. A team of dentists from the Indian Dental Association, Meghalaya State Branch, educated students on the importance of oral hygiene and distributed toothbrushes and toothpaste. The event aims to promote better dental care practices among students in the Mauthad Raishang block. Jowai local MLA cum Chairman Muda Wailad Miki Shilla attended the Golden Jubilee celebration of Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai at the function held today at Jerusalem Ground. Addressing the event as the chief guest, Shilla is committed to addressing important issues raised by the principal, including making a girls' hostel operational and advocating for increased capacity. He also inaugurated the Commerce Building, which is underway to complete construction on a commerce building and school extension. Additionally, he encouraged the young girls to take advantage of their opportunities, citing examples of successful women in India.
And especially our concern regarding the imparting the quality education, especially to our young girls. So I think that the committee really deserve a big round of applause for their hard work have been put in for this celebration.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report of Tura. Minimum temperature recorded is 23 degrees Celsius, while the maximum temperature recorded was 33 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 54%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature recorded was 12.6 degrees Celsius, with the maximum temperature being 24.2 degrees Celsius, relative humidity being 53%. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature recorded is 14 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity being 62%. And for the forecast in Tura, July indicate that dry weather is likely to occur at most places, whereas in Shillong, light to moderate rain is likely to occur at few places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Meghalaya conducts state-level earthquake preparedness mock exercise. Meghalaya launches CM Care Plus scheme. Khasi Students' Union celebrates 47th anniversary. And the Grace Foundation School, Bhoirambong, launches first Astronomy Club. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.